here with our lovely patient today. We're going to be doing some venous for some lifting, toning, tightening, stimulating circulation, and lifting and plumping and firming the skin.
Hi everybody, it's Nurse Pam and I'm here with our beautiful patient, Ms. Barbara. And we are here for the regular touch-up Botox, but for right now we are going to target her masseter muscles because we want to slim her face down and at the same time help with her TMJ. That's one of the uses that actually Botox can actually be used for, and it helps slim down the face. If people who teeth clench at night, they don't know, it can destroy their teeth, give them massive headache. Botox actually will help them.